Your hot tub. It makes work days bearable. It makes lawn work muscles happier. It makes clocks turn slower. Because your hot tub makes life better and easier, we focus on making your hot tub better and easier. We do it with fresh mineral water. It's the secret to every Frog product. Instead of relying solely on chlorine or bromine for sanitizing, our special blend of minerals works in combination with a very low level of chlorine or bromine to kill bacteria 2 ways, keeping your hot tub cleaner. Those minerals also keep the pH balanced and condition the water, making it crystal clear and softer to the touch. No itchy skin, no faded suits. And because everything comes pre-filled and pre-measured, there's no guessing or stressing. Let your hot tub do what it does best. And let Frog Fresh Mineral Water help. Get cleaner, clearer, softer, and easier water with Frog.